The AZDOME M300S 4K dashcam offers high-resolution recording capabilities, capturing video in up to 4K for the front camera and 1080p for the rear, ensuring every detail on the road is clearly documented. Equipped with f1.8 aperture and WDR technology, this dashcam excels in night vision, automatically adjusting color balance to deliver sharp and clear images even in low-light conditions. The integrated 5G Wi-Fi allows seamless connectivity to your smartphone via the AZDOME app, enabling easy video viewing, downloading, and sharing, as well as voice control for hands-free operation. Featuring a G-sensor and accident lock function, the dashcam automatically locks and saves footage during sudden collisions, and it supports a 24-hour parking monitor with time-lapse recording. Thanks to its loop recording feature, the AZDOME dashcam ensures no important footage is lost by overwriting the oldest unprotected files, and it comes with a complimentary 64GB SD card. AZDOME provides a hassle-free experience with a 12-month warranty and lifetime technical support, ensuring peace of mind and assistance whenever needed.